everyone, this is Diana from ORIEMAC. Today we are in Shanghai warehouse, and let me show you Xugong excavator. Let's go. In front of us is Xugong 155WGA model excavator. It is widely used in the construction industry and mining industry. It's very popular in China domestic market and foreign market. Look at this bucket. The bucket standard capacity is 0.6 cbm, and the boom, the digging max height is 3.2 meters, and the digging width is 2.5 meters. Okay, next we have a look at the cam and other details. The cam has large space and boring wheel field without blind spots. The operation is convenient and easy. The seat is comfortable. All of these provide operator a good working environment. Okay, next let's take a look at the engine. A good engine can make the machine work longer, and this Xugong excavator uses a Cummins engine and reliable quality and low emissions. It has spare parts wise all around the world. Except the excavator, we have all kinds of other machines like forklift, loader, and truck pumps. If you need other machines, please contact our website. Bye bye.